local school approached me and asked me if I'd build this chair for them, a storytelling chair. Never heard of that before. Essentially, the pupil sits beside the teacher and they read the story together so the teacher can help support and encourage the student. Brilliant idea. So here's the chair, and here's the short version of building the chair. Enjoy. I'll start with the back panel, cutting one end of each piece square and then joining them all together with 10mm dowel. I'm using 5mm packers to ensure I get the spacing accurate. While that's drying, I'll rake the channel in the oak frame that's going to surround the back panel, trim the top of the back panel to size and shape with the rail saw, and then I can glue it all together. Now I can cut the front rail to the same width as the back panel, and then cut the domino slots to join the side rails to it. The back legs are cut at a 10-degree angle, and then cut the back of the side rails to suit. This is mistake rectification. I should have cut this piece off earlier before I glued the back frame together. I used a centre line as a reference point for the domino slots joining the back panel to the side rails, as the domino slots in the side rails were mid-panel. Then I spent some time with my Bosch palm router putting bevels on the required corners, sanded the panels and the legs, and then time for glue up. I nipped the horns off the bottom of the back panel with the handsaw. Same again with the back panel, sanding and bevels. It finally starts to look like a chair. Rear support rail for the seat panel. I wasn't prepared to allow screws or tacks or nails to foul it at this point. Which
which is why I chose to go with the oak dowel to secure it to the back panel. Nobody's going to see it, but I'll know it's there. I trimmed the seat panel to size with the rail saw set to 10 degrees to match the back panel. Notched it in around the oak frame. And then drilled the seat panel out for more oak dowels. Once you found a good thing, you've got to roll with it. A small round over on the outside corners of the seat panel pieces. A bevel for the very front edge, and then I could secure it in place. Finally onto the arms. Again a round over to match the round over that's on the front edge of the seat. Oak dowels to secure it. And bevels top and bottom. A fine job, if I say so myself.
I've got to say, it makes one feel kind of regal and grandiose with such a high back and such a wide seat. I feel quite kingly. And I'm really pleased with the way it's come out. The oak dowel is a brilliant little touch, and I think it elevates it to a next level, far better than screws, that's for sure. A time-consuming build, but it's going to be there for years to come, giving hopefully a lot of pleasure to both pupil and student. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe hit the like button below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.